Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'm making Caraili soap, or popularly known as Coolie Pawpaw soap. So my oil is ready: beeswax, soybean and coconut oil. I put a little bit more of beeswax. So now I'm gonna pour my light solution infused with Caraili or Coolie Pawpaw. It's a thick solution, so I'm using a big strainer. Yep. So we have to work really fast. You know, when you're working with beeswax, you have to be fast. So we finished pouring. Yes, I know I'm using a black crock pot, so I hope you're able to see what's going on inside that pot. But the things are getting thick really fast. So yeah, let's do some stirring. I'm not using a stick blender because I know this ain't gonna take long to thicken. It's already thickening. If you look closely, you can see that it's already thickening. You see that? Yeah. So let's do just a little bit of stirring, and I know just now we have to do the pouring. Yeah, let me add the essential oils. Yeah, we have to work fast or else we'll have a stone inside the crock pot. And that stone will be very difficult to work with. So I'm trying out this recipe for the very first time. If anything, there may be a part 2 if I'm not very satisfied with the results. But
thanks you for subscribing. I really appreciate your support.
yes, so yeah, this is really thick. Let's do some pouring now. I'm using a rectangular mold. Yeah, that is for 2-pound soap. Yeah, so this is a 2-pound soap. Yes, let's do some pouring there. Ooh, I'm drowning. I need help. My spoon is almost... Oh gosh, let's rescue our spoon now. Let's rescue the spoon. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So let me just try to work fast. This is something that's gonna slow me. Yeah, look at that. You see the beeswax? Yeah, so you know you have to settle it in order for all the air bubbles to come out of the mixture, and also to even it out for it so it settles properly in the mold. I can't even decorate this soap. You know, beeswax wants to do its own thing. Yeah. Oh my, let me just tidy up. You see, all that cleaning of that silicone drowning spoon there has just left pieces of soap here and there and everywhere. Yeah, so we'll rest it right there, and I'm gonna cover it with this other mold. This is another mold that somebody made for me. Yeah, I also use it for 2-pound recipes. So then I'll cover it with a towel to trap that heat during saponification. Yeah, so let's see what... Yeah, look at that. Cover it with a towel. Yeah, cover it with a towel. So I've just taken it out of the freezer, and I managed to do a little decoration the second time I put it in the crock pot. So I have to work fast with it because it's a little sticky, you know, coming from the freezer. So I want to cut it fast. I really want to know how this soap will turn out because I just didn't want to throw it away. But I said, let me do something and see how it turns out. So I'm just trying to cut it. Yeah, so I just had to cut it really fast, and it's not the way that I wanted. I would have loved to cut myself, but yeah, it feels sticky, and it looks creamy and nice. So I am done, and this is how the final result looks. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and there will be a part 2.